So quite frankly, we were in shock, and you're going to be in for a surprise. Hi and welcome to another video. The snow might have gone, but the temperatures have been colder than average, I think, max of 4 degrees this week. There's a very spectacular inversion, or misty trees hidden in the mist poking out, and the ewes are enjoying the sunshine. Just going around checking, topping up all the hay feeders.
Well, we've woken up to another beautiful morning, slight frost, which is now going already. The sun's out and the mist clearing, and it's really ideal. You know, the ground's drying up nicely, so hopefully get some bit of land work done this week, which is about time. Of course, the animals all look settled and content, and couldn't be better.
Hi, and today is the 1st of March, which some people say is the first day of spring. Some people say it's around the 22nd. Didn't feel like spring. It was very frosty and cold today. No sunshine really to be had. And we've been mainly spending the day sorting out all the different ewes into the groups for feeding. First day of supplementary feed today with the nuts. And taking the rams off, and then what we weren't expecting was we had 2 lambs born. March the 1st. It was at the end of the day as we were doing our checks round, and unmistakably I was like, that sheep is lambing, and luckily we were there as it happened. So we went back down to the farm, came up with the trailer, brought them down and lambed the second one. It had a leg back, so she might have had difficulty lambing it. Thankfully the lamb was fine. They've probably been born in the last half hour. One of them was born up the field. The other one was born, lambed in the shed. This one. And what we think's happened is, well, a bit of an accident really. She got to the ram at the wrong time, so she's lambed early. We're not supposed to be lambing until April, so a month too soon. But as you can see, they look like nice lambs. It's a first time sheep and she's mothering them, so we brought them in, and we'll just keep an eye on things. It's got some beautiful markings, that lamb. It's just trying to take its first steps. Come on, baby. I think Mum wants to be left alone, so I'm going to leave them. We'll just keep an eye on them. It's getting there. So absolutely a wonderful end to the day and a wonderful start to spring and March and lambing season. It's the 2nd of March today, and after the big move around yesterday, we've got all the sheep in different locations. So we've got a completely new routine for feeding. So I'm just going to wait for Dad to work out what that is. In the meantime, feed the pigs, check on the new lambs, make sure the ones in the shed have got some food and water, and hope that the sun comes out, because it's a bit misty and a bit drizzly again. And where are they? Hello, big pigs. Everyone's waiting, so I better get moving. How are you feeling?
Well, good day looking. Look at them two little beauties.
They look all right, don't they? Yes, we've got shed activity, and I'm just getting the different feed amounts ready. And if you look at the green marks on the side of the sheep, that indicates how many lambs they're having. So this group is the green group, having triplets. And we thought, what are the cows looking at? Well, you might well wonder, over the wall. And obviously it's too cold to be outside at this time of year, so we're bringing any in that lamb early. The surprises, if you like. As for the rest of the sheep, we are keeping an eye on them, feeding them, and I'm not sure how many more surprises we might expect. Not many, I don't think. You feeling playful? So we feed and then we count to make sure that there's the right amount. 28 in this group. All present and correct in the fog. Snowdrops in the garden, looking ever so cute. And birds singing. It's been mostly a cloudy day, but we've been treated with a very little break in the cloud and this beautiful sunset. It's been mostly a cloudy week. Do my little YouTubey bit. So thanks for watching. That's the end of the video. He's here. The main man's here. We will see you in another video very soon. If you've enjoyed it, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new and you want to see more from Dale Farm. Here we are, bringing you more stuff soon. Thanks for watching. I think I'm repeating myself, but hey, have a good weekend. Bye.